Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this chemistry question. Chromium and manganese are two transition metals. In which of the following pairs is the oxidation state of chromium more than that of manganese? Okay, look at this one. A, this is potassium dichromate 6. That means the oxidation state of chromium is actually +6. Okay, so how do you know? If you're not sure, we can calculate it out. Okay, so potassium is actually +1. Okay, so there are 2 potassium, 2 times of 1 plus chromium, we let it be X, and oxygen is -2, but there are 4 of them. So it's 4 times of -2, so it'll be equals to 0. So X will be equals to +6. This is for chromium, for A. And potassium permanganate 7. So this is actually +7. Okay, if you're not sure, you can also calculate it out. So you have 1 plus, you let manganese be X. You let the one you want to calculate be X plus oxygen is -2. So it's equals to 0. So from here, you get X equals to +7. Okay, so they want the chromium to be more, but this is actually less. So this is not correct. How about for B? B, let's look at B. This is actually 3. That means chromium actually has to be 3 plus and chloride is minus, right? That's how they got CrCl3. So it means chromium here is actually +3 for the oxidation state. Or oxidation number is the same, okay? This one, MnO2. So if you're not sure, you can calculate it out. Let manganese be X plus 2 times of -2, because oxygen is -2 equals to 0. So X equals to +4. Okay, so it's also not greater. So this is also not the answer. Okay, next one, C. We have Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, so it's Cr3 plus. So the oxidation number is actually +3 because it's Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, how about this one over here? This one is actually Mn2 plus SO4 2 minus. So this +3, this manganese here is actually +2. So in this case, chromium is actually more than manganese. So C is actually the answer. Okay, this one over here is actually +6, which we have calculated earlier. Okay, this one, you will need to calculate. So you let manganese again be X plus 4 times of -2 equals to -1. So X equals to +7, which is actually similar to this one over here. Okay, so the answer is C. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.